Hey there, folks. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down tech tips and online safety hacks to make your digital life a breeze. Today's video is all about how to report a seller on Facebook Marketplace in 2025. With the platform evolving, it's crucial to know how to handle shady sellers to protect yourself and others. Let's dive right in. First off, why report a seller? It could be for scams, fake items, or even harassment. Facebook has updated its tools for 2025, making the process quicker and more user-friendly. Start by opening the Facebook app or website and logging into your account. Head over to the Marketplace section. It's that shopping bag icon on the bottom or left menu. Once you're in Marketplace, find the listing from the seller you want to report. Tap or click on the listing to open it. Now, look for the three dots, usually in the top right corner, and select Report from the options that pop up. You'll be prompted to choose a reason for reporting. Options might include scam or fraud, misleading item, or inappropriate behavior. Be specific to help Facebook investigate effectively. After selecting the reason, you might need to provide additional details, like screenshots or a description of the issue. This step is key, as it strengthens your report. Once you're done, hit Submit. Facebook will review it, and you might get a confirmation message. A quick tip. If the seller has multiple listings, you can report them individually or check if they're already flagged. Remember, reporting doesn't always lead to immediate action, but it contributes to a safer community. And if you feel unsafe, consider blocking the seller or contacting Facebook support directly. There you have it. Reporting a seller on Facebook Marketplace in 2025 is straightforward and empowers you to fight online misconduct. If this helped, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more guides like this. Stay safe out there, and we'll catch you in the next video.